maths class, and today we'll do symmetry or reflection. So figure which is identical on both the side of the line, it is said to be symmetrical. And the line is about which the figure is symmetrical, वो line कहलाती है line of symmetry. So line of symmetry is an imaginary line around which जो figure होता है that is identical on both the sides. Symmetry is an important geometrical concept commonly seen in nature. आप nature में देख सकते हैं, artificial things में देख सकते हैं. For the centuries, symmetries remain the subject that fascinate philosopher, astronomer, mathematician, architect, etc. Even today, we tend to try with the symmetry in everything from planning our building to furniture. So here you can see some buildings or monument where you can see the symmetry. Clear? We can also see symmetry in animals and birds like in butterfly, peacock, ladybird, sheep, you can see. Similarly, we can see symmetry in flowers and leaves. So in nature, we can also see the symmetry. Some symmetrical object that we use in our daily life, here you can see a glass, this is the line of symmetry. Bottle, egg, you can see the line segment is symmetrical about the perpendicular bisector. So, जो line segment होता है वो कहाँ पे symmetrical होता है, उसके perpendicular bisector के नाम. Some English alphabet are also symmetrical. You can see in alphabet A the vertical line of symmetry, B horizontal line, C horizontal line of symmetry, D में भी horizontal है, E में भी horizontal, H में have both vertical and horizontal. I also have both vertical and horizontal. M have only vertical line of symmetry. Similarly, some other letters are also symmetrical. Some letters are not symmetrical like F है, G है, J, L. They have no line of symmetry. Next is evolution time 11.1. Draw the line of symmetry in the following figure. So here in this figure, this line will be the line of symmetry. Clear? Next, draw the line of symmetry in the following English alphabet if possible. So T, this will be the line of symmetry. Clear? Next, there are a lot of historical monuments in India. Identify the following monument and draw the line of symmetry in them. So, आपको क्या करना है, ये जो monuments है उनको identify करना है and you have to draw the line of symmetry like Gateway of India है या हवा महल है, इसमें line of symmetry draw करनी है. Clear? Next, reflection and symmetry. The term line of symmetry is often referred to as the reflection symmetry. क्यों? Because the concept of symmetry is very close to the concept of reflection. जैसे कि अगर हम mirror में देखते हैं, अपना face देखते हैं, तो हम क्या देखते हैं? We see the identical image. जैसे हम हैं वैसे ही हम mirror में दिखाई देती है. जो भी object है, if we see it in mirror, it will look exactly same. The object in its image are symmetrical with reference to the mirror. So here mirror is working as the line of symmetry. Everything is same in the image as an object such as height, length, सब same होगी. Only one change क्या होता है? Side में. The left become right and right become left. Clear? Next is evolution time 11.2. Reflect the following shapes in the mirror line and draw the image. So अगर हम mirror में देखेंगे exactly same दिखेगा. So this is the other half. Clear? Next, reflect the following English alphabet in the mirror line and draw the image. So if you'll see in mirror, it will look exactly same. Only side change हो जाएगा, but A में क्या रहेगा? वो same ही दिखेगा इस तरीके से. Clear? Next, look back. A figure which is identical on both the sides of the line in it is said to be symmetrical, and the line about which the figure is symmetrical वो कहलाती है line of symmetry. Symmetry is commonly seen in flowers, birds, animal, building, etc. The line of symmetry is closely related to the mirror reflection. Next, let's recall. So all these questions you have to practice because जो अपने chapter में किया उसी पे based रहे सारे questions. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. Which of the following alphabet has two line of symmetry? So letter H will have two line of symmetry, vertical and horizontal. So D is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now to practice it.